So 1 medium-sized orange. And we're gonna put some pineapple inside of it. So we got the orange in it already. And this is the pineapple. Roughly about 4 tablespoons of pineapple. We're not use too much. We're gonna get a nice little piece of a ginger to put inside of it. Alright, that's the ginger. We're gonna get some garlic to put inside of it, alright? Here we have some garlic, very good for, you know what I mean? You know, a lot of people, they suffer from a little bit of cold and flu and all them things. This is a very powerful drink. We're gonna put 2 cloves of garlic, 1, 2 cloves of garlic inside of it. Lemon, and squeeze out that lemon juice inside of it, alright? That's the lemon juice. We'll have about ½ teaspoon of lemon juice. So, here's the turmeric, 1, 2, just 2 pieces.